Hi, this is Ola from Career Angels, and I'm here today to talk to you about the hidden job market for experienced managers in Europe. I'm going to talk to you about the phenomenon, but also our LinkedIn group, where every week on Monday afternoons, we publish a special list of vacancy notices published on LinkedIn, which are quite difficult to find for an average LinkedIn user. They're also definitely actual recruitment processes, which is not always necessarily the case with LinkedIn job ads. We also have several criteria to make sure that they're going to be relevant for senior managers and executives. So they're written in English, they welcome international candidates, they are also aimed at people with at least 10, if not more, years of experience in a specific functional field, as well as people management. To add to that, sometimes they're also very interesting in terms of multiple locations where you can work from, or being open to remote managers. So let's have a look at some examples. So the first job ad I wanted to show you today is for VP Global Marketing. The location is France. The ad was posted 1 week ago, and the employer is Coty. This is an executive level job. Coty is actually let's say umbrella brand, which has other brands which you will probably be really familiar with, like Max Factor, Rimmel, CoverGirl, Marc Jacobs, Hugo Boss, or Gucci. And the particular brand you would be focused on in this job is Kylie. This is Kylie Jenner's line of skincare and makeup products. I'm scrolling down just to show you that you, in terms of requirements, you would need to have at least 15 years of global marketing experience, and candidates with experience in skincare products are particularly welcome. If you click apply here, you will be taken to Coty's recruitment platform, and here you can click apply as well, again after reading about the company and the job itself. If you click apply again, you will be taken to an external ATS platform, which means this is a platform in this case run by SuccessFactors, one of the top providers. This is a platform where your CV should really be optimized for artificial intelligence. The second job ad is for a slightly different type of organization. So we're looking at UNICEF, which is a United Nations agency, and they are looking for deputy director for their division of human resources, so an HR professional, based in Budapest, Hungary. What's interesting here, if you don't know what D1 means, this is actually a level within the organization. So United Nations have very well described levels within the organization, and they're pretty transparent about the pay and benefits, as well as the caliber of responsibility that you have. D1 is the highest executive level at UNICEF. So in terms of experience, one thing that I can tell you is that you would need at least 13 years of relevant professional experience in human resources or management, operations planning, or other relevant fields. If you click apply here, you will be taken to UNICEF's platform. They have massive, large scale recruitments. There's quite a lot of roles being offered on an ongoing basis, both for administration and in the field. So here you would have to register on their platform and go through a multi-stage recruitment process, which includes filling out forms, uploading your documents, but also occasionally essays, tests, and of course interviews. The final role is an investment director. We're going to Berlin this time, and the company is Samsung Next. So this is Samsung, of course, but Samsung Next is a division which deals with startups. So they actually identify, acquire, or invest in early stage startups which can connect with their business and develop new solutions. So they're looking for someone with a specific combination of experience, 7 or more years of technology experience, 10 to 14 years of experience in venture capital as a venture capitalist or business angel investor. And if you click apply here, you will be taken again to a recruitment platform. Apply now takes you to a form, a registration form. What's interesting here is something that I've highlighted in orange, is you can apply for this job with LinkedIn, which means that your LinkedIn profile will pre-populate the application forms, the information from the full profile will be used to apply. And that's it for the ads. Today, a few more words from me about what you can do as next steps if you want to look for interesting jobs. Before I go, I wanted to tell you just a few things. One, if you'd like to join the group, or if you know someone who would, all you need to do is find the hidden job market for experienced managers in Europe and send us a request to join. If you're interested in the subject of ATS systems and optimizing your CV for ATS, we have a full guide to how to do it on your own, so do take advantage of that. We also do a couple of really nice things for free. Let me just go to the English version, which might be more relevant to you. You can request a free CV report on our website. There's a contact form there, so you can do it almost automatically. And again, let me go to the English version. You can also request a free career consultation where you can talk about your entire job search strategy and make sure that it's in line with what you really need and what you really want in your career. I hope to see you next week when I record my next video, and for now, have a very, very good rest of the day. Bye bye.